Alright, cool. Looks like everything's working. Okay, welcome back, chumps. This is February 28th, 9:41, 10 minutes into the open. And right now, yeah, we're off with sort of like a spillage, and things are picking back up right now. So we're just gonna go find a market direction, you know how it is, after 30 minutes, and then put on a trade from there. I think it might just be an inside day again. Economic calendar actually showed that core PCE, which is the Fed's preferred inflation metric, came out, and actually the GDP came out and it was lower, which is good, bad news. But in terms of the PCE data, I think it was can't remember where I saw that, but I think there was a number that came out hotter in PCE wise that definitely did not support things going down. PCE prices have gone up, so that's for sure. But I think there was one other metric. I can't remember if it was today or yesterday that was the case. Well, mortgage rates definitely still up. That's for sure. But yeah. So the economy's slowing just a tad. Things are still getting expensive. What else is new? So yeah, from that kind of data, I think potentially an inside day again that might be happening. So what we're gonna do is we'll learn from our lessons from the other day and decide either to just sort of hold on to the position a little longer and then close for a larger profit, and then simultaneously make our wings a bit wider. So before we were at, I believe it was just like either a 10 or 20 wing wide iron condor. Let's go with the even wider one. So let's see, 560, let's just use that as our base. Well, we got wiped out going on the upside before, so let's anticipate that would be the case. So let's start with 50, 65. Yeah, it's bouncing, teeter-tottering between the two. Let's do 570. 570, 575, 580, that's 10 basis. We'll go 590, that's 20 wings wide. Yeah, not much juiciness in that premium, but it'll definitely be safer. So let's do that, and then we'll go 30 delta wide on those bot wings. Do 20. So 10, 20 right here. Same drill. From 70, 60, 50, 50, and then another 20 wide. Did I do 20 wide? I did 20 wide. 20. Alright. That's what our target range looks like. 330 for a pretty wide range. We're looking at, you look at from a week standpoint, that's pretty much all the way down here. Let's look at from a 3-day perspective. SPY doesn't move all too much. That's down here, and then upper range is up here. So as long as the SPY doesn't have too crazy of a move today, we should be okay. You know what? I think I'll shift this down to make it more symmetrical. So instead of it being a, let's do, I'll probably visualize this better. Let's go 85, 105, 45, 25. Yep. Because it seems like it wants to keel over. We are red, so let's just give that sort of time to cook. Alright, let's see here. Yep. Let's actually check real quick now that this is just telling me that it's a non-standard trading option chain. Let's make the wings tighter and see how much that takes away from profitability. Let's see the put. Let's go up, call, go down. That eats away at it, but let's see what the buying power is. It's about 1,000 for 200. Yeah, when you go too wide, it takes away from your profitability. So the desire to want to be on the safer side means that there's more buying power eaten up, but the upside is that you get much better sort of profitability margin as a result. So yeah, I think I'm okay with that. Send that in. We're filled. And we're off to the races. And we'll just let that cook. I like how it's so delayed. The streaming is definitely... I shouldn't be mining crypto, simultaneously streaming, simultaneously trading all at the same time on this relatively older computer. Yeah, let me just boost my GPU memory clock speed. All right, well, positions put in real time. We're puking. Let's set our alerts. That previous line right there was set from yesterday's low. So if we move past yesterday's low, then we are definitely going to trend in a different direction. That's when I'll get out of the position. Today's high is right here. And from a 3-day perspective, with a 30-minute candle, we have yesterday's high over here. I think that's a solid level. But we also have today's high, sorry, right here. Take this away. And if you look at our profitability, we're within yesterday's high, today's high and today's low, at least for the morning session. We'll see where we go. All right, we'll let it cook and I'll send an update.